Miss Blinger, come here. You and Rosalie. Let me tell you and Rosalie say. My plans. I have a lot of plans. When I come on TikTok, come brag and tell about my business. You talk about if you thank God for Maka. Thank God for Maka. When we should be thank God. I don't have my plan already to go Panama. I have plans to go Panama. Because DR, you hear me, and Colombia. Next thing I go Mexico. With the blood clear talk about my business for. I'm going to go England January. Well, the mother bomber clock not talking about me say. Me no come tell you my business. I don't come tell you Blinger, Rosalie my business. You Rosalie the on the level talk my business. I talk about me anyway. Rosalie. Me dem a furnish room, I pay 42,000 a month for my place when me there. Rosalie, me pay 40 blood clot thousand for a furnish room, and me soon get my room month in. With the blood clot, when you sit up on me road, one live, you bring a chat before Rosalie. In Rosalie, but the mama bomber clot, you know what me Rosalie. Me now come tell you my business, say me I do this, me I do that. The four Maka come with them, before Maka he come, say she a carry me go Panama. Me got blood clot go Panama in November, the 25th of November. And me plan to go by the 25th of the month here. The blood clot would have drunk up people. Rosalie, yeah, me spring a stamp on me with my name. Girl, you're bad, man. You know, everybody a curse you, Rosalie. Rosalie, you know, everybody a class and I bring her down. One to your big elephant blood clot, girl. You did talk about me and blood clot. When I go stay, if I get up, me not tell no blood clot get up. Me pay me $42,000. Miss Blinger and Rosalie. When the mama blood clot, you talk about that, Rosalie. Yeah, Miss Blinger. Right now. Destiny I come from no blood clot. Don't forget curse Destiny and leave me alone. You know, she definitely can't do for you, Rosalie and Blinger. You the man say this morning, me I come for you two-door fridge, girl. You hear me I tell you no? You do a chat me, everybody a class Rosalie. So Rosalie leave me alone. Rosalie leave me alone, because I not count you. I put you in the garbage pan. Me creep up, me rake up you this morning. I'm putting on one little blood clot corner, Rosalie and Miss Blinger. I don't have nothing to do with you and Blinger. When you talk about say to blood clot, say, when we come from Panama, I sit down and talk about me to blood clot. Uno have a heart. I talk about me and me have my plans long time. Why do you not drunk crop? Why do you not crow beard? Talk about cleaner. Me come to win a blood clot. To know do anything blood clot. Me sit down and say me blood clot like Rosalie. What if mother rascal bring and talk about thank God for Maka? Thank God for Maka. Me have to come tell you about me thank God for Maka. Miss Blinger, leave me a rascal alone. Blinger, leave me alone. I talk about TikTok police. Send me pickpocket police. And leave me alone. You can't come to Jamaica, come fuck them man and help them man. Miss Blinger, leave me alone. Thank you.